So, one of the exciting things about the EU's mail servers seems to be that they eat open source conference requests, which is slightly annoying. So we have a slightly unfortunate situation that the MEP that we had lined up to be here today is actually not been able to make it and has double booked himself at the last minute. But cool, he sent this statement. And it's nice to see that the whole delegation in Parliament there is using Collabora Online and caring for digital sovereignty. I think it's actually 50 people in total. So, yeah.
Yep.
I'm very sorry.
And it's indeed apologies for how this worked out, but they really would like to join another event because, well, it's obvious that they are not only fans of open source, but they see it's of major use for the future here. So good.
Yes, indeed. When I went to university, the Union Debating Society had all of these wonderful programs that featured, Nelson Mandela, Margaret Thatcher coming to speak, and all of these other sort of people. Inevitably, none of them turned up, but it was a great shame. But of course, they'd extracted your money from you by then. So anyway, if you feel particularly cheated and not hearing Mikuláš, let us know, and we'll make you good.
Yeah. Well, I know how the day-to-day agenda of an MP is. So
it is indeed busy, no doubt.